ABW expenses. Budget approval of a staff expense claim. Process. This guide covers how to review, approve and reject a staff expense claim as a budget authoriser in ABW. Part 1. View task in task list. Tasks for the ABW expense claim are sent to the relevant budget holder for approval. This is determined by the budget code chosen by the person submitting the claim. When there is a task that requires action, you will receive an email to your arts.ac.uk email address. Step 1. Log in to EXWQ02 using your personalised login. This is different from your regular network login. Step 2. Access the task list by clicking the tick icon in the top right of the screen. This will open an expanding box with the heading Your Tasks. Part 2. Opening a task to complete. Step 1. Click the blue Go to Task Management button at the bottom of the expanding box. This option allows a better view if there are many tasks to complete. Step 2. Each task will have the title Expense Claim Budget Approval. The claimant name and claim number will also be visible. Step 3. Click a task you would like to complete. This will open the approval screen. Step 4. The top left of the claim shows the claimant, the transaction number and the description of the claim. Step 5. The top right section of the claim shows the workflow trail. This details the users and any comments made. Step 6. The middle section of the claim shows the detailed claim lines. To see each claim in more detail, click on the individual lines. Step 7. The bottom section shows the details of each line of the claim. This includes the expense type, currency, date, current amount and description. Part 3. Checking a task. Step 1. In the middle section, select each line in turn. First, click on the line to select it. The line will highlight blue. Check that the description provides enough detail. Make sure that the expense type chosen is sensible. Then, check the BUD code. Make sure the BUD code is charging the expenditure to the correct business area. Step 2. If a ticked box is visible in the receipt column on the right of the line, then an invoice is present. If the box is not ticked, then no receipt has been uploaded for this line. Click the Document Archive button using the paperclip icon on the top right of the screen. If receipts are missing for any lines, reject the claim. Go to Part 4 to find out how to do this. Step 3. The document window will open. Click each document to open and view. More than one document can be added for each line. Part 4. Approving or rejecting a claim. Step 1. As a UAL budget holder, you decide whether you believe the claim to be reasonable, accurate, and in line with the expenses policy before you approve the claim. Step 2. To reject all lines of the claim at once, click the Reject button in the task panel at the bottom of the screen. When you have done this, you must provide a comment as to why you have rejected the claim. Use your comments to tell the claimant what must be done for the claim to be approved. For example, what changes need to be made to the claim. The claim will now return to the person who submitted it. Step 3. To approve all lines of the claim, click the Approve button at the bottom of the screen. A confirmation message will be received. The task will then be sent to the expenses team to be checked. Step 4. To approve some lines but reject others, click the Advanced Mode button in the taskbar. Advanced Mode allows individual lines to be approved or rejected instead of doing all the lines in bulk. Step 5. Tick the box beside a single line and click the Approve or Reject button to perform an action. Click Save to action this. Note, comments must be left against each rejected line. Step 6. The claim will return as a task to the person who submitted it. Rejected lines will be highlighted in red. Congratulations! You have learnt how to approve or reject a staff expense claim.